If anyone has an 80s party to go to, hire me to do your makeup. I got all the stuff. Hi. There is a video on my channel. It's the first one that you see when you click on my page that is showing MAC lipstick swatches, and it's older. So I thought maybe I would do that for you today. My lips are a little dehydrated already, so we will see how this goes. I'm not going to give you a lot of description because I have a lot of them. I wanted to show everything on my skin type and on my skin color, not my skin type, because it really doesn't matter when it comes to lips. I don't think I'm going to use lip liners. I'm just going to speed through this, not a lot of talking because this might take forever. It will be hard for me because I do like to talk. Let me see if I can keep this reeled in and give you a good lip swatch video. For reference, my foundation color in MAC Studio Fix, I am in N6.5. In Dior, I am a 2N. Makeup by Mario, it's not a perfect match, but I'm an 8N. Natasha Denona, I would be N7 in Natasha Denona. In Maybelline, I would be, I believe, a 120. Anyway, that will give you an idea. I'm a natural ginger. I have freckles. I hope this helps. Let's get going. I'm gonna just label it for you. I'm gonna go lightest to darkest, I think. There's so many. First off, we're gonna do Sleek Satin, and this is Peachstock. I kept them all in the boxes. These were sent to me, by the way. I already own a bunch of MAC lipsticks. I actually owned a lot of MAC lipsticks before. This is not a good color for me, and I would typically use Peachstock with the lip liner. I don't reach for it. It is a comfortable formula, just so you know. And you know what? I thought it was going to make my teeth look yucky, but it doesn't. But it doesn't do much for me. I'm not here to judge it, actually. I'm just here to try it on. This is what I mean. I get talking. Next up is Fleshpot. It brings me back to high school. I think I probably wore something like this. Of course, it would not have been MAC. It would have been something from the drugstore. And that is Fleshpot. Okay, let's go with Myth. Oh, out of the lines already. Only on my third one. Good. I'm doing good. Look at me not talking. I'm in the zone. Blankety. I love Blankety. I would use this a lot, actually. Over top of a lip liner. It's not quite so pale. Yeah, I like that. Imagine it with a lip liner. I know you can imagine it with a lip liner. You're not going to make me do that. Next up is Modesty. Definitely a cooler lip, and I used to buy this all the time too. It's something that I reach for often. Next is Pink Peppermint. I really liked this in my other try-on. I can't remember what liner I used. It's the 80s, isn't it? Again, in the center with a good lip liner. Lipstick Snob. This is the lipstick that my niece put on me, I think. She liked it. I think we both had a bit of a laugh though. I could see people wearing this. What do you think? What did I say this was? Lipstick Snob. Saint Germain. They just keep getting brighter. It's neon. If anyone has an 80s party to go to, hire me to do your makeup. I got all the stuff. It's like a highlighter. When I see women, especially older women, wearing bright lipstick, I just think you rock. I love them. Let's use a little bit of a more natural color. This is called Sitting Pretty. More wearable, for sure. I wish I could, you know, you see those videos with the full lips and they're just like, so sexy when they're doing their lipstick. I am not sexy when I'm doing my lipstick. I'm like, not a lipstick model. This is Sitting Pretty. That's my favorite so far. I need color. Okay, next up is Rave. Pretty. I like this one too. Cream in your coffee. Does it help you to see it without lip liner? I think it would, right? And that is cream in your coffee. Next up, we're gonna do Amorous. Yeah, I like that. And that is Amorous. This one is gonna be bright. This is Popstar Pink. It's fun. I remember working at MAC, wearing a color like this. I think it was the Miley Cyrus Viva Glam special edition, or maybe, yeah, special edition, I think. And it looks something like this. Everybody kind of laughed at me, but I liked it. Next up is Del Rio. A little harder without a lip liner. That makes my teeth look white, and I love it. Oh, I just put on Lovers Only. You know what? I'm not taking this off again. This is Lovers Only. I don't think you need to see the application. Maraschino Much. Don't you look beautiful when you're trying to get the corners? Maraschino Much. Oh, I look like the Joker. Oh, there's Brave Red. I was looking for that today. Ooh, let me do that one. I was trying to show the girls. This is pretty. I feel like, oh no, I think I might have to stop because it's starting to look, the sun is going down and I feel like it's not giving you the accurate color. Is that enough for today? Maybe I'll try one more. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, it's hard to tell because I've got two monitors, my mirror, and I don't know which one is true. Obviously the mirror is true. Okay, Cool Teddy. I love, oh, I almost stuck that right up my nose. I was just gonna say how I like the writing, and it just almost. Does anyone else have this much fun by themselves? Okay, this is the last one. This is Cool Teddy. The other ones are quite dark for me. They're Guessing Game, Rebel, Hodgepodge. And I do have another video up showing all of them. I just felt like doing it again and reminding myself of what I actually have in my collection. So yeah, Cool Teddy. I'm leaving off with one that's a little bit duller, aren't I? Let me see if I can. I will show you something though. When I have a color like this that maybe I want to boost up, but I like the tone, I can add a lip gloss and that will boost it up a little bit. So let me find a lip gloss. I'm actually not going to use the applicator for this. Yeah, see what that does? It just boosts it up a little bit and brings some life. That lip gloss, by the way, it's a MAC Snobbish. My lips are all red because I've been rubbing. But yeah, that just brings it up a little bit, and I should leave it off on a more polished note, but I'm not because I'm easygoing here and I'm just here to play, as you know, if you're not new here. I hope this helps and I will see you later. Bye.